day trade set up for today. So, yeah, we're pretty much going nowhere. We are still very much in an uptrend. There's no real reason that should convince you of anything else. And yeah, the interesting thing is, if you look at the charts just on the daily, and where since March, when have the bears really had a proper opportunity to try and get the thing marked? And this was the one area here, and then they had one, two, three areas there. But apart from that, it's been one-way traffic, and I don't think there's anything else except up at the moment. I think what's basically happening is people are waiting for the Feds to finish today. Once they've finished, see what that stimulus package is all about, and you pretty much guarantee that the Feds are going to be looking to push this market higher. Okay, so even if we are dropping down as far as 3160, even 3000 area, that is going to offer opportunities to buy into this market. So at the moment, I think we're really just consolidating, going sideways. And you can see on the daily bars here, down, we had a nice big engulfing, then we had a sort of inside bar, and now we're continuing to the downside. I expect we're going to have another green bar for most of the morning. So it's typical Asian session at the moment. Come down, find some support, and then move to the upside. Not very far. I think we're going to be range bound. Okay. So something like that. And bear in mind, this gap is still open. Okay. Let's see where I've put this level in. 3194 is still open. Okay. So this 3200 area is fairly strong, but I would feel a lot more comfortable with that gap closing. Okay, other gaps below are closed, but this one is not closed. So I wouldn't be too surprised to see it come down. I've been waiting for it for a couple of days now. And then the second thing to bear in mind is we have this area here, which is 3243, which is a fairly strong area of resistance and support at the moment. We've turned it into resistance here. So it wouldn't surprise me too much to see us pull back, close this gap, and then this is going to be our range. Okay, so the floor of the range is pretty much 3194, and the roof of the range is going to be 3243. And until the Feds are finished, that I think is what is going to transpire. Okay, I'm not really interested in trading this at the moment. I'm not interested in chasing shorts, not even to target this gap, because you can see how often every time you think gap's going to close, look at this, didn't close. Drive it down, it didn't close. Buyer stepped in. So what's different? Why would the buyers not step in again? I think that's what you need to ask yourself. Okay, so for me today, sitting quite tightly on my hands, not interested in going long, not interested in going short. Really just going to sit back and wait for the Feds to see what transpires there. If the Feds come out with a stimulus package, well, they are going to come out with a stimulus package. The question is, what is it going to look like? And that's what all the noise has been about the last couple of days. So we'll have to wait and see what transpires. But I can't see the Feds letting this fall. They are going to prop it up. So you should be looking for opportunities to drive it to the upside. Okay. Anyway, guys, hope it helps you somewhat. And I'm sitting on my hands. I'm not interested in this until late tonight, or possibly even just tomorrow morning. Until then, I will sit quite quietly and not bother with anything. Hope it helps. We'll catch you later. Cheers for now.